Yo, what's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the on foot of Jordan 1 Mocha, Dark Mocha, actually, which is just a great transition into my next point. This shoe, when I first got out of the box, was a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know why. I've never seen a pair of the Travis Scotts in hand, so I don't know what I was expecting, but from the pictures, this brown seemed to be a lot lighter. At least that's what I thought. And then once I opened them out of the box, it was so freaking dark. I was like, yo,
that's what she said.
I film all my on foots at nighttime, and my camera settings for this one, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little tricky finding the right lighting and everything for the shoe, just because I really wanted you guys to be able to see the mocha part and see the distinction between the black and the brown part while not completely overexposing everything. I'm sorry. Honestly, it didn't come out as crispy as it usually does compared to some of my other on foots, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. Bro, I got 2 pair, so you guys already know. Hello? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. And I also love all 4 of your faces. We got 4 subscribers, baby. So, thank you. Later. This brown looked to be a lot lighter, and when I opened them, but from the pictures, this brown looked to be a lot lighter, and then when I opened them, frick, bro. The shoe smells nice though. From the pictures, this brown seemed to be, this brown seemed to be a lot lighter, and then once I opened them, dude,